Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money with Nordea Bank. Now, the first thing that you need to do is of course launch the Nordea Bank, log in to your mobile bank account for Nordea, and then select the transfer icon right here, okay? And then what we need to do is come and choose the account you want to transfer the money from by tapping from account, okay? And then just go ahead and choose the account you want to transfer the money to by tapping on to account. Select the account, enter the amount you want to transfer right here. And then what you can also do is go ahead and add a message. This is optional, and the due date you wish the money to be transferred on. Go ahead and put it right there. And you can also create a regular payment by selecting a recurrence right here. And if the information you have entered is correct, go ahead and tap on confirm a transfer. And once the transfer is completed, guys, you will see this message. You'll receive this message that the transfer has been received or registered or completed, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.